Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by connecting the Bm800 to your interface or XLR USB cable. Make sure phantom power is on if your setup requires it. Place the mic 6 to 12 inches from your mouth and mount a pop filter to catch plosives. Once done, set a low input gain and put on closed-back headphones so you can monitor without bleed. These steps reduce noise and establish a reliable signal chain before you hit record, giving you control over tone and dynamics from the first take. Next, open your DAW or recording app and choose the audio interface input tied to the Bm800. Disable any automatic effects so you record clean. You can add EQ and compression later. Adjust the preamp so peaks hit around -6 dBFS to maintain headroom. Once done, set your sample rate to 44. 1 or 48 kHz and engage a gentle high pass around 80 Hz to remove low rumble. Make sure latency is acceptable and enable direct monitoring if your interface supports. You begin recording with a few test takes, speaking at varied volumes so you can identify clipping or sibilance. Review the files immediately and make small adjustments to mic angle or distance to even out tone. Once satisfied, record your full takes and apply gentle compression and subtractive EQ in post to keep clarity. When exporting, choose WAV at 24-bit for best fidelity. If things go wrong, check cables, phantom power, and drivers. Swap hardware to isolate whether the mic or interface is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.